Did you know that up to 20% of the US population contracts the flu each year? That's millions of people wrestling with this illness every flu season. While conventional medicine is an option, Mother Nature provides her own remedies. But before you rush to the pharmacy, consider this: nature has its own pharmacy. Many of us, in fact, have a treasure trove of healing herbs right in our kitchen cabinets. Herbal remedies, nature's very own medicine cabinet, have been around since time immemorial. Take ginger, garlic, and thyme, for instance. These common herbs have been used for centuries to combat symptoms of the flu. They offer relief, fortify the immune system, and help us bounce back quicker. But the question remains, how can we use these herbs to fight the flu? Let's delve deeper. Treating flu with herbal remedies is not as daunting as it may seem. Let's break it down into simple, easy-to-follow steps. Start with ginger, a powerful herb with anti-inflammatory and antiviral properties. To brew a soothing ginger tea, grate a small piece of ginger root into a cup of boiling water. Let it steep for 10 minutes, strain, and enjoy. Next up is garlic, a potent immune booster. For a healing garlic broth, simmer a few crushed cloves in a pot of vegetable broth for about half an hour. Sip on this throughout the day for a natural flu-fighting punch. And let's not forget about thyme, a herb known for its antiviral benefits. Simply add a handful of fresh thyme to a pot of boiling water, then inhale the steam. This can help clear congestion and soothe a sore throat. Remember, the key to effective treatment is consistency and patience. Stay committed to your herbal regimen, and you'll be on the road to recovery in no time. So there you have it, a natural way to combat the flu. Remember, early detection and treatment are key. Embrace the benefits of herbal remedies, from their effectiveness to their natural properties. Don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and tricks. Stay healthy, stay natural.